Okay, so hi dear Gemini, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Gemini Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 13th till the 19th of July 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. We have the King of Swords. Somebody's pissed off or angry, or they're feeling like whenever they are talking to you there are some kind of fights or issues, or there are some kind of unpleasant energies coming out. What is happening, honey? So this is somebody who is feeling angry and pissed off from you, from the situation, because they feel like there's something about the situation that's not matching up to their expectations. Let's clarify the King of Swords as the, sorry, as their feelings for you. Dun, 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 dun. We have the Nine of Cups, the Four of Cups, the Three of Wands. Yes, this person is feeling like they are not getting the kind of happiness or the wish fulfillment they were hoping from the situation, and they're highly disappointed because things are not working out between you guys the way they were anticipating them to work out. And now they feel like they should keep moving forward. They're one foot in, one foot out of the situation, but mostly out, still attached to you, still energetically attached to you, attached to the situation, but they feel like they should keep moving forward because this is the right thing to do, because this is not what they thought the situation is between you and them. Okay, it's like somebody waking up to the truth of the situation in some way. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side? We have the justice. From your side, you feel like you should do the justice with the situation, whatever it means in the situation between you and them. For some of it might be some kind of legal process, divorce or separation process. For others of you, it might be like protecting yourself from the situation, from this connection, because things are going south. What is happening, Gemini? Till last week everything was fine. What is happening this week? Seems like you guys are feeling like if you're not going to do the justice right now, if you're not going to do whatever is supposed to happen in the situation right now, it's going to be very messy and very difficult to deal with in the coming future. Let's clarify the justice as your feelings for this particular person or situation. I have the Page of Swords, the Ten of Swords, the Eight of Pentacles. Yes, you feel like keeping yourself at a safe distance from the situation, and you feel like not putting in any kind of effort or energy in the situation anymore because you're done. Even if you are, emotionally done or not, physically you guys are feeling like you are done with this person, you are done with this situation. You should definitely keep yourself at a safe distance from the situation. Otherwise it's going to be very very complicated, very much difficult to deal with kind of a thing. This is an ending here. This is some kind of ending or separation or breakup happening here. Physically it already happened, energetically you guys are still somehow attached to each other, and you guys are planning to, go in two individual directions, because both of you are feeling like this is not what you guys thought it is going to be, and you guys are separating your ways with, this is difficult. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Gemini? Seven of Swords. That's what I was expecting. I was. Let me clarify the Seven of Swords before I'm going to make any stories out of this situation. Did somebody cheated on you, or stole from you, or did something wrong behind your back, or the vice versa? Let's see. Let's clarify the Seven of Swords here. I have the Two of Swords, the Hierophant, and the Ace of Swords. Okay. This person wants to clear the air between you and them regarding other people, other energies also involved in the situation. Maybe one of you was already married or committed to somebody else and they got involved in this situation too, and they were not able to tell you each and everything. Keep in mind the vice versa can also be true, like the opposite can also be true, like you are the one who was involved with somebody else and didn't tell the other person here. That created the Seven of Swords, the cheating, lies, manipulation, and behind the back kind of stories. This person wants to clear the air with you regarding whatever was hidden or whatever was not clear between you guys. This person wants the answers, or they want to give you the answers regarding whatever happened. Like maybe they cheated on you in some way or you did, but they want the answers and the clarity of what happened so that they can move forward in their life, and you too. Let's see what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Gemini. We have the Sun card. You just want crystal clear clarity and happiness. That's what you want. Crystal clear clarity and a happy go lucky relationship. I hope you're not commitment phobic or somebody who runs away when things start getting a little bit difficult. Let's clarify the Sun as your intentions for this particular person or situation. We have the Five of Swords, the Magician, and the King of Cups. Yeah, you are in this energy of you want to make love and peace. You don't want to have you don't want to fight with anybody. You don't want to deal with any kind of stressful energies around you. Okay, you don't want to deal with anyone or anything that's creating any kind of difficult to deal with kind of energies in your life, and you're manifesting true love, you're manifesting happiness, you're manifesting peace, you're manifesting compassionate, loving, and mature, grounded kind of energies in your life. This is what you want. No drama, no chaos, just pure love and happiness. That's what you want. Then why are you not doing it yourself? You are doing shit and you are manifesting beauty. It's not happening. And I saw a comment last night. Oh, you might be having what we call that, constipation. That's why you keep on talking about shit. Shit is a normal word. It's always not representing the poop you're talking about, moron. Loser. Anyway, so let me see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the 19th of July 2026, Gemini. We have the Two of Wands, things on hold. Nothing moving forward, no one moving forward, things are on hold. Physically, I do see two people moving on in their individual lives, opposite directions, but energetically, things are on hold. Okay, let's clarify the Two of Wands here as the potential outcome. I have the Seven of Pentacles, the Justice, and the Five of Wands. You guys will be waiting for the time when things are going to be sorted regarding a chaos or conflict or drama that happened between you and a particular person. So it's like both of you giving this situation time, so that with time either things are going to be resolved not naturally and organically without you guys doing anything about it, or you guys will be able to move on from the situation or from each other. Okay, for some of you, you guys might be waiting for some kind of results of the courtroom drama that you are going through, some kind of divorce or separation process is going on. So you guys will be waiting very, very patiently for the final outcome or final judgment or final result of a situation. Okay, for others of you, it's like both of you patiently waiting for the time when things are going to be resolved, the drama is going to be over, so that you guys can do something about the situation in the physical world. Okay, it's a little bit complicated between you guys. Let's see what is the guidance for you guys here for the situation, Gemini. We have the Knight of Swords, the Devil, the Three of Cups. You know, Gemini, you have to have this in your belief, core belief system now, that instead of changing people again and again and again, you might be having this tendency to like end one situation and jump to the another one, end one and jump to the another one. Stop, take time for yourself. You have to work on the toxicities, the negativities, the unhealthy patterns, the unhealthy attachments, the falling in love with somebody too quickly or losing interest too quickly kind of energies. Then you have to start putting in the effort and energy in this direction with all of your heart and soul, by knowing that what works for you and what doesn't work for you. Instead of changing people again and again and again, change yourself from your inside, so that you are going to attract the right kind of energy that you deserve as a person, as a soul. Gemini, it might feel like I am trying to point a finger on you as if something is wrong in you. No, it's not like that. It's like it's simple that if you keep on attracting the same kind of difficult to deal with, toxic, third party kind of energies again and again and again in your life, you should sit with yourself and understand why. What is that one thing that keeps on attracting these kind of energies in your life, and what you should do about it? How to change this pattern, how to break this cycle? That what you guys have to think about and work on. Stop running away from the truth and the reality. And the truth and the reality is that there is something in you that keeps on attracting this kind of shitty and shady energies. Until unless you guys are going to properly heal it, release it, properly be a naturally good energy from inside, you will never be able to attract the right kind of energy. Doesn't matter if you're 100 years old or 19 or 25 or whatever the fuck. So let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Gemini. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. Okay. So if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. So the answer to your question is yes. Okay, Gemini. It's a yes, so I don't have to explain it to you guys. Good for you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.